Just see how it feels when you take a woman into a room and the first thing she could tell you is to ask you, how do you want it? Now tell me, how do you feel? Okay, in the same way we bring you to these very modern designs and very fashionable and luxurious design, and we can just in a simple terms to ask you, how do you want it? It is our very simple and simplified, modern, luxurious design. This is just a 3-bedroom bungalow, very enlightened. Everything equipped with modern tech, with the lightning, everything, with the breeze of everything. It is, we call it, a simple, luxurious life. Then you light up your world and you light it again. That is what we are into, light it again. So you can just feel free, get in touch with us, and we'll give you the best in which you need. As you can see, just very simple design, but very luxurious, simple design. Everyone loves good things, and that is why we are here. And I know you love it. You love it, right? Yes, that is what